What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got some stuff from Real Steel. What are we gonna check out? Been getting a lot of stuff from Real Steel to check out. Pretty cool stuff. Obviously not from Real Steel. It's coming from the Pass Around group, but I've been getting a lot of their stuff, and it's been pretty good. Been getting a lot of slip joints, and definitely a fan. I guess we'll get into them real quick. What are we got? We got the Serenity slip joint knife and the Ventus sandblasted. I don't remember what either one of those were. I think this is a titanium one. I think so. Can't remember. We'll go with that one last because I think that's what it is. But I like this one. I like the slip joints, so let's check them out. Okay, that's your regular stuff, and that is okay. Okay, so this Knife Dope had this last. Pretty good channel. Funny dude. And I didn't know his stickers were like this. Okay, that's funny. I like that. um, so you just have your general information. You know, obviously they show you the other parts right here. How to take it apart. Different versions of it: slip joint, button lock, liner lock, and stuff like that. So that's just overall. Here's the knife. The specs of it. So you got a pocket clip. So yada yada yada. What's on the other side though? Did not go. So it's okay. Yeah. So, yep, just general information. Just check her out. Ooh. It's a little bit bigger than I thought. Yeah, especially for a slip. It is a slip joint. Yeah, it's a little bigger. And it's got a pocket clip. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. Alright, okay. Okay, I kind of like the way it looks. Like that. I love that little right there. That little. Honestly, I don't know if I'm going to like it on this because this is a slip joint. This is not like a liner lock or some kind of locking knife. It is bigger though. So it's definitely not, the walk and talk's not quite the same because it's bigger. Not bad. Sounds good though once it pops. It's just got a lot of travel going on there. Definitely a lot of travel. But, oh man, if they would have had this on like a liner lock, this thing would, oh man, they need to do this with a liner lock or something like that. Somewhere to lock it because this is beautiful. I love the blade shape. I love that little harpoon. Whatever they call that. I can't remember what they call that, but I love the jimping with it. So check that out. It's got jimping on the handle. Excuse me, on the handle and the blade. Obviously, I'm not going to use that because I'm not going to use like my thumb on this blade at all because maybe call me paranoid. I don't want to give myself a reason to cut myself pushing on that with cutting whatever I'm doing. I like my fingers how they are. Sometimes I like to, cut them a little bit, but I like to have them still there. But it's a beautiful idea and it's beautiful shape and it's honestly beautifully done. It's just wish it wasn't on a slip joint. But the jimping's nice. It's kind of cool how it just matches so very well. Like it's a little bit different color. Obviously different, more like a satin or something like that. I don't know what that is, some kind of polish. But the blade shape is nice overall. What was this called again? No, not the Ventus. This was the Serenity. Okay, this is Serenity. Put it right there. Serenity. Nice G10. I like the G10. Feels pretty good in hand. I like the pocket clip. I am a pretty big fan of the pocket clip. No, look. Reversible. And it goes on top too. So definitely deep carry. It's a little loose, but they kind of are like that some. I've noticed on like the ones that I like this from Real Steel, if they're at top like that, they are just a hairball. A little bit of play, but it's G10, so it's not going to be too bad for you. Overall, nice. I like this thing. Pocket clip's not bad. Got a nice little curve right there going up. Not bad. Obviously, the screw right there is recessed. Nice. I am a fan. This thing's not bad. I like that. It is N690. Yeah, N690. I'm guessing that's the little emblem. Nope, no name on there. Oh, designed by Ivan D. Braganets. Do not know his. No initials, no nothing. So I'm new to him. Ivan, I like your knife though. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. No, I do like the design. It looks really well. I wish it was like like some kind of liner lock or something like that. I think it would be phenomenal if that was the case. But that's all right though. We'll go with what we got. All right. Okay. So this is some kind of tension you can change. That's new. Zero, low, low, middle, high, middle. Huh. So again, your knife right here is with the different stuff on it. Different ways to take it apart. More knife dope. Here's the specs for another N690. Open slip joint. Poltergeist works. Huh. That's it. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Check it out then. Huh. Okie doke. So, apparently it's saying this screw has something to do with the tension. And this thing is kind of beautiful. Now that I'm really looking at it for a second. Oh, this thing's not bad. So somehow you change that. I don't know necessarily tension-wise. Oh, that thing is... Ooh. That's got some thump to it. Okay. I love the way this one sounds. It's definitely a little tighter on the tension. I'll have to play around to see if that's what it is, like if you can change that. Obviously, it says the adjustable tension system. That's cool. 3 levels, low, medium, high, by turning the screw clockwise. The 0 level is used to disassemble the knife. So how do you know, though? How do you know what it's on? So that's what I'm kind of curious about. Huh. Unless it just comes apart, I guess that's how you might know. I don't know. 0. Unless you check it all the way to the left. Low, medium, high, medium, low. I don't know. I'll play around with it. I'll let y'all know in the final review. This thing's cool. I like the way this looks. It's nice. I love the titanium. Beautiful. I don't think it's that expensive, though, either. Yeah, I guess it might be for a slip joint. I don't know. I remember I thought it was just a little over $100. But this thing is, I like this. It is N690. So, again, I don't know a lot about N690. No jimping on this one. I like that titanium backspacer, though, with the little bit of jimping, a little bit of milling right there. Super, I like that. It's nice. Super small, but super, like, kind of aggressive at the same time. Not that's going to get your hand. Obviously, I don't really feel it necessarily. Enough to probably grip it pretty well and be done. But that, it's got, okay, so it's got a little bit of jimping right there, obviously, also for your finger. Like when you're cutting and everything like that, so there's a little bit of jimping right there. So that finger won't go nowhere. Probably also to help with not moving the blade, because you're going to kind of pinch it right there too, obviously like this. That's how I'm going to use it. And that's going to keep it from kind of going some. Obviously, it's not a lock. Your fingers aren't a lock, so it still can move. Don't light yourself up. It'll be a bad day for you, or a bad night. I think a titanium pocket clip. A little bit of milling on the inside. These are nice. I like these. I'm a fan. I don't know about y'all, but I am. Backspace or pivots only on one side of the screw. Got a big old freaking fuller tab or fuller. Definitely great for gripping, but it is I think it's got the tension on high right now because it's tight. Gonna kind of look close up. Super nice looking. I like this lanyard hole. Okay, this one has a lanyard hole for all you guys. There you guys. You guys are squared away. Super nice though. I like these. These are both super nice knives. Pretty stoked. That's all I really got though. If you guys liked the video, leave a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, leave it down below. Thanks.